Brace yourself for extreme Arctic survival facts. What color is Arctic fox fur in winter? Pure white. Which Arctic fish has antifreeze in its blood? Arctic cod. What do polar bears have under their white fur? Black skin. How thick can Arctic sea ice get? 10 feet. What insulates caribou hooves from the cold? Air pockets. What helps seals swim in freezing water? Blubber layer. What covers Arctic willow leaves to prevent freezing? Fuzzy hairs. How do Arctic ground squirrels survive winter? Super cool blood. Follow for more mind-blowing nature facts.